Now let us consider example on distinct real roots. So the differential equation is y double prime t plus y prime t minus 2y is equal to minus 10. So we have to solve this differential equation problem. So now yt, the solution of yt has two parts, y complementary and y particular. Now for getting the y particular, that is yp, we have to consider yt is equal to a constant k. Then y dash t is equal to 0 and y double dash t is equal to 0. So we have to put these three terms here in the original differential equation. Then y dash t is 0, y double dash t is 0, then again y dash t is also 0, minus 2y. Now in place of y we can write k. So minus 2k is equal to minus 10. So minus 2k is equal to minus 10, k is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 5. So we have got the value of yp, y particular, is equal to 5. Now we have to find out yc, that is y complementary. So for that we have to consider the homogeneous equation, homogeneous second order differential equation. So yp is equal to 5. Now we will find out the value of yc. So for getting yc, we have to consider yt is equal to a e to the power rt. Now y dash t is equal to r a e to the power rt, and y double dash t is equal to r square a e to the power rt. Now we have to put these three things in the original differential equation. Then we will have r square a e to the power t. So in place of y dash t we can write r square a e to the power rt. Then in place of y dash t we can write r a e to the power rt, r a e to the power rt, and in place of y we can write a e to the power rt. So minus 2 into a e to the power rt. Now we have to consider the homogeneous equation. So we have to put a 0 on the right hand side. Now we can take a e to the power rt common. Then within the bracket we will have r square plus r minus 2 is equal to 0. Now if this term is not equal to 0, then the term within the bracket should be equal to 0. So we can write that. We can write r square plus r minus 2 is equal to 0. Now applying Sridhar Acharya, we can get the value of r1 and r2. So the value of r1 and r2 is equal to minus b. So here b is 1. So minus 1 plus minus b square. So b square means 1 square minus 4ac. So here a is 1. So 4ac. So there is a minus sign here. So this will be plus 4a1 into 2c divided by 2. Now a is 1. So 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Now solving this, we get minus 1 plus minus root 9 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus minus 3 divided by 2. So r1 is equal to minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and r2 is equal to minus 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So minus 4 divided by 2. So minus 2. So we have got the values of r1 and r2. So yc is equal to a1 e to the power r1t plus a2 e to the power r2t. So that is equal to a1 into e to the power r1 is equal to 1. So e to the power t plus a2 into e to the power r2 is minus 2. So e to the power minus 2. So we have got the values of yc. So what is the total differential equation solution? Yt is equal to yc plus yp. That is equal to a1 e to the power t plus a2 e to the power minus t plus, now the value of yp is 5, so plus 5. Now in this problem the initial conditions are also given. Suppose the initial conditions are y0 is equal to 12 and y prime 0, that is y dash 0 is equal to minus 2. So we can use these two initial conditions to get the values of a1 and a2. So putting the value of t is equal to 0, we get y0 is equal to a1 e to the power 0, so that is 1, plus a2 e to the power minus 2 into 0, so that is again equal to 1, plus 5. Now the value of y0 is 12, so 12 is equal to a1 plus a2 plus 5. So a1 plus a2 is equal to 7. Now for using this y dash 0 is equal to minus 2, we have to take the first order differential with respect to t. So we have to take the first order differential of yt with respect to t.